Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Kiddie Cove. So today's topic is tidy up. Do you know what is meaning of tidy up? It's mean to make neat or put the things in order. For example, he tidied up his room before going out. It's very important to tell your child about the importance of tidy up. It provides your child with not only responsibility but also accountability. They need to clean and care for the utensils and space that they are using and to keep their space clean. So let's start. You will look at the picture and then you will guess what is the picture about. So first of all, the teacher says it's time to tidy up. So when your teacher says it's time to tidy up, so what should you do? Can you tell me? Yes, right. I need to put the things away. So first of all, I'll see what are the things that I am picking up from the floor. Can you name some objects? What can you see on the floor? What will be the second step? I need to put the things back where they came from. And the next one is I'm helping my friends to pick things up and put them away. It's mean you can help your friends, classmates when they are arranging the class or you are arranging the room. So you should also help your friends. I will put the things in their place ready to use again later. So it's mean you need to put the things first. You will see the place where you have to put the things back. Oh no, I don't know where this should go. What you will do in this situation? If you don't know where to put the things, I will ask my friends or teacher where to put it. It's mean you should ask your family, your friends about the place where you are going to put it. I want to go and sit on the carpet, but I must finish tidying up first. If you want to sit somewhere, so first you should tidy up that place, you should make it clean, you should arrange that place, then you will sit there. My teacher is pleased with me for tidying up nicely. So your parents, your family, your teacher will be happy if you will tidy up nicely. I did the right thing by putting things away. So it's mean if you arrange the things back to their right place, so you did a great job. Well done. I hope you have learned a lot from my video. To get more informative videos, visit my channel and keep watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.